So this is Nairobi Kitchen. No, Nairobi Street Kitchen. We came at a good time because there's not many people here. So I wonder if it's okay for me to film. This is so cool, man. Look at this. This is super cool. Wow. This place is neat. Street kitchen, wow. So you have a choice. Man, I've never been to a place like this before. It is so fantastic. I saw this on YouTube. I was like, I've got to go here. Okay. They have a wine cellar. Wow. That's pretty cool. This gotta be chicken. What do you want to eat? Beef? Okay. Where? You know, you've been here before? Oh, you've never been here? Oh, that's a kitchen. That's a kitchen. Maybe I can ask her if they... Oh, they have different stuff here. I don't see beef.
They're in chickens.
These are chickens, okay?
Yeah, chicken.
Okay.
And here, they have like food.
Crispy, crunchy tenders. Hi.
Then apa itu manufacturing ini saya specific Mexican food.
Oh, Mexican food.
Yeah. Then
I haven't had that since I left the U.S.
I left Oh, so yeah.
Mzungu. He said Mzungu.
No, she's asking whether you are listening Swahili or Kizungu. Kizungu is English.
Okay, basically we are dealing with chips and chicken, all kind of chickens. Then on the other side we have the Lord Nissan. Specific, they're dealing with the Mexican food. Then after the that one is a green whatever. Continue over there. They're dealing with nudes.
With what?
Nudes. Custards.
Okay.
Yeah, then we have another corner on that side. They're dealing with Indian food. It's called the Sidoko. Then there's another all this light. They have ice cream over there. Then there's on that far corner is burger. They deal with burgers. Then
Burgers.
The main entrance we have come from. Basically they're dealing with pizzas. Then there's some meat and fruit on this corner. Basically they're dealing with intercontinental foods. So now you choose whatever that you
Wow, it's a lot of choices. But I feel like I should buy from you though, because you've helped. I feel like I should buy from you because you're helping.
Thank you.